Polyvan Teaches and I am Sagurika Banerjee. Once again, I am back with another exciting topic of English grammar. Today, I will be teaching you words followed by prepositions. So stay tuned to my channel #Polyvan Teaches and watch the video till the end. So without wasting much of the time, let me just begin my video today and let me just share the screen with you all. So as I said that today I will be teaching you words followed by prepositions. So this topic is divided into 3 different videos. Part 1 is this. Here we will go through these points like certain verbs, nouns, adjectives and participles are always followed by particular prepositions. So now we will go through certain sentences where certain verbs, certain nouns, adjectives and participles are followed by particular prepositions. So let's read the sentences. Mumbai is famous for its textiles. So famous is the adjective with which we can use the preposition for. The goat subsists on the coarsest of food. Subsists and on. Jawaharlal Nehru was fond of children. Fond is followed by the preposition on, of. India is a noble, gorgeous land teeming with natural wealth. Now teeming is joined or followed by the preposition with. Let's see other sentences. Being apprised of our approach, the whole neighborhood came out to meet their minister. So apprised is generally followed by the preposition of. In the classical age, the ideal life of the Brahmin was divided into 4 stages or ashrams. Again, divided is followed by the preposition into. It is natural in every man to wish for distinction. Wish is followed by the preposition for. He was endowed with gifts fitted to win eminence in any field of human activity. So endowed is followed by the word preposition with. These computers are cheap enough to be accessible to most people. So accessible is followed by the preposition to. Then ambition does not always conduce to ultimate happiness. Conduce to. The true gentleman is courteous and affable to his neighbors. So affable is followed by to. The newly acquired freedom is sometimes liable to abuse. Liable is followed by the preposition to. The writer is evidently enamored of the subject. Enamored of. So remember, the yellow colored words are verbs, they are adjectives, nouns, participles as I said earlier, and the blue colored words are prepositions. Little Jack proved quite a match for the giant. Now match is followed by for. Camels are peculiarly adapted to life in the desert. Adapted followed by to. He is a man of deep learning but totally ignorant of life and manners. So ignorant followed by of. The income derived from the ownership of land is commonly called rent. So derived from. The Moors were famous for their learning and their skill in all kinds of industries. Famous followed by for. Alexander profited by the dissensions of the Punjab Rajas. So profited by. Few things are impossible to diligence and skill. Impossible to. I am indebted to you for your help. So indebted to and for. Ashoka, although tolerant of competing creeds, was personally an ardent Buddhist. So tolerant of. Then the celebrated grammarian Patanjali was a contemporary of Pushyamitra Sangha. So contemporary and it is followed by of. The African elephant is now confined to Central Africa. So confined to. Ivory readily adapts itself to the carver's art. Adapts to. Next we have Coleridge's poetry is remarkable for the perfection of its execution. Remarkable for. The holy tree is associated with scenes of goodwill and rejoicing. So associated with. Remember, these prepositions need to be understood clearly. You must know that which word is followed by which preposition. The noise from downstairs prevented me from sleeping. So prevented from. I am already acquainted with the latest developments of the situation. Acquainted with. Next we have his duties were of a kind ill-suited to his ardent and daring character. So ill-suited to. Man is entirely different from other animals in the utter helplessness of his babyhood. So different from. Then a residence of 8 years in Sri Lanka had inured his system to the tropical climate. So inured to. The ancient Greeks, though born in a warm climate, seem to have been much addicted to the bottle. Now addicted is followed by the preposition to. He, Dr. Johnson, was somewhat susceptible to flattery. Susceptible is followed by to. Then a man who always connives at the faults of his children is their worst enemy. So connives is followed by at. Naples was then destitute of what are now perhaps its chief attractions. So destitute of. The cat appears to have originated in Egypt or in the East. So originated in. Judged by its results, the policy of Hastings was eminently successful. So judged is followed by. There is still no cure for the common cold. Cure for. It was formerly supposed that malaria was due to poisonous exhalations. Now, due is always followed by to. People who are averse to hard work generally do not succeed in life. Averse to. Buddhism teaches that freedom from desires will lead to escape from suffering. So, freedom is followed by from, lead is followed by to, and again escape is followed by from. Now let us do one exercise. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate prepositions. He acceded dash my request. What should be the preposition here? Yes, to. He acceded to my request. He abstains dash liquor. He abstains from liquor. He was found guilty dash manslaughter. He was found guilty of manslaughter. He is incapable dash doing good work. He is incapable of doing good work. He is married dash my cousin. He is married to my cousin. He is sensible dash your kindness. He is sensible of your kindness. Boys over 16 are debarred dash competing. Debarred from competing. Father Damien consecrated his life dash ameliorating the lot of lepers. His life to ameliorating the lot of lepers. That rule is not applicable dash your case. That rule is not applicable to your case. A public man should be tolerant dash criticism. A public man should be tolerant of criticism. He is willing to make a concession dash the demands of his employees. He is willing to make a concession to the demands of his employees. I often find him absorbed in thought. Oil is good dash burns. Oil is good for burns. Invalids are not capable dash continued exertion. capable of. The British Parliament is composed dash two houses, composed of. He is abstemious dash his habits, inhabits. He is ignorant dash what he pretends to know. He is ignorant of. Do not confide your secrets dash everyone, to everyone. It is difficult to agree dash those critics who ascribe the work of Shakespeare dash Bacon. It is difficult to agree with those critics who ascribe the work of Shakespeare to Bacon, Francis Bacon. In his autobiography, he refers dash his abhorrence dash animal diet. In his autobiography, he refers to his abhorrence of animal diet. He conversed dash us dash subjects dash varied interest. He conversed with us on subjects about or of varied interest. The accident happened dash him dash a late hour and dash an out of the way place. The accident happened to him at a late hour in an out of the way place. A cashier is liable to render account for the money received by him. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. That's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, that is #PolyBandTeaches. And yes, do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you get the notifications of all my latest videos. So till I bring more videos, stay tuned to my channel #PolyBandTeaches and watch all my videos. Till I bring more videos, bye bye.